Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we'll put head-to-head in a crash test two big high-end SUVs, the Volvo XC90 and the Land Rover Range Rover. The Volvo XC90 being released back in 2015 and waiting for a replacement, and the Range Rover being released just in 2022 on his 5th generation. So we have an older but still in production Volvo XC90 versus a totally new Range Rover with just 1 year on the market. Both of them are heavy vehicles, but the Range Rover overpassed the weight of the Volvo XC90 with almost 500 kilos, having a total weight of around 2,500 kilos. And now the question is, the extra 500 kilos and the fact that it's a much newer model will offer a higher protection to his occupants? Well, let's see now the numbers. And the numbers are very clear. The Volvo XC90 wins in front of his modern and more expensive competitor, offering a much better protection for the adult occupants and as well offering a 100% score for the safety assist systems. On the other side, for the child protection and pedestrian protection, the both vehicles obtains the same score. And now our conclusion is that the Volvo XC90 remains the king of the safety, and despite of the already 8 years on the market, is still maybe the safest vehicle on the road. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you enjoyed it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.